please remember you are one with the Lord.
Tinatawagan ko yung naglagay ng video.
Also, please remember you all sin was forgiven from God, even for each other.
Okay? So, this is the most awaited part, usually sa mga kinakasal. Alam niyo na yun kung ano yun, pero usually sa mga dalaga at binata, ito yung inaabangan nila. Ang exciting moment sa pag-aasawa. Alam niyo kung ano yun? So, may I ask the bride and groom to please rise? Stand up, please. And you have to exchange your ring. Ito na po yung palitan nila ng sing-sing.
We have a ring here today. I think it is made by gold.
At meron silang sing-sing ngayon. Ito ay gawa sa gold.
It is gold or steel. The price is very expensive gold.
Ito ay napakamahal.
Gold means never changing.
Ang ibig sabihin ng gold, ito ay hindi nagbabago.
Steel and other steel is changing.
Yung iba, sila ay nagbabago, pero yung gold ay hindi.
But even 100 years, even 1,000 years, gold is still gold.
100 ang nakalipas, 1,000 taon ang nakalipas, manatili siyang gold. Ginto.
Gold is always flashing.
Palagi siyang nagliliwanag.
It is not changing. Please, Mary Jane and Mr. Park, don't change your love.
Kaya kailangan kayong mag-asawa, hindi ninyo babaguhin ang inyong pagmamahalan.
Like a gold.
Katulad ng isang ginto.
Some people, they love, still love.
Yung iba, sila ay nagmamahalan, pero yung kinakalawang,
Some people, their love is like a silver.
yung kanilang pagmamahalan ay katulad ng isang silver,
But this groom and bride, their love will never change.
pero yung pagmamahalan ninyong mag-asawa ngayon ay hindi siya magbabago.
We say golden love.
Ang tawag po doon is pagmamahalang ginto.
I want to bless you. Please, your love will be golden love.
At nawa ang inyong pagmamahalan ay katulad ng isang ginto.
Anyway, it's very big, strong tie. I cannot open. Can you open? And can you exchange each other?
Which one is first? Him?
Ayan. So, habang pinupuni-puni nila yung pagpalitan nila sa kanilang singsing, tinatawagan ko yung mga awit. At, ayan, papurihan natin yung Panginoon. Dahil sa kanilang, ayan, ibig sabihin, isa na talaga